So hey guys, what was I'm telling you? This is my nickname user, and this is my name user. I know. No, wait, just don't jump my name. This is my avatar. Wait, like that. And I bought 400 Robux, but I spent it. And this is my outfit. And guys, I'm gonna tell you something. The concert was crazy. First, I'm going in a private server.
Sabi ko, saan na naman natin, ipamudmud sa mga kabayo niya yung pera niya. Hindi pa nga siya nagbigay ng phone. Hindi ko siya magkamali ng input ng
So guys, I got the chair. I'm dead. Look at that, the spiderini. Oh my god, I got a new ones. Guys, hell no. This is a freaking dream. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's so sick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, you better like and subscribe. I'm gonna give away all my secrets and all my brain rot gods. If I quit still brain rot, you better subscribe. Bye.